welcome back to the Canon of Math. This is where I answer the question of the day of my last video, which was on BEDMAS. So if you have not watched that already, I will leave a link in the descriptions and right over here. You can click this to go to that video to check that out before watching this one, because you might get confused if you just jump right into this video without watching the thorough explanations. And if you have watched that one and you've tried this question, well, let's get started. So we had bracket 45 minus 3 bracket divided by 2 times 4, and that's our numerator. It's on the top of our fraction, and on the bottom of our fraction, our denominator, we have 7 plus 4 in brackets, okay? And whenever we have this fractional form, it means that we're dividing the whole top part by the whole bottom. So we need to figure out the top and the bottom value, then do the division. So let's get started and look at our BEDMAS acronym over here and see which one to do first. Okay? So here we have brackets in first place. Brackets, or this could be a P for parentheses, it's the same thing. It could be BEDMAS or PEDMAS, either one works. So here we have B for brackets, and we have 2 of those. So here we have one over here and one over here. So we do both of them in a single step. So here, let's rewrite our expression. So 45 minus 3 gives us 42, and then we rewrite the rest since it's not their turn yet. Divided by 2 multiplied by 4, and we put the division sign, and then we do the bottom as well since it's a bracket, and we do that in the same step. So 4 plus 7 is 11, and equal sign. Okay, so in this step we did this bracket and this bracket, okay, which gave us 42 and 11. Now we have exponents, okay, we have exponents, but we don't have any exponents in our expression, so we move on to the division. Let's write it with a different color so we can see it better. So we do division now, and we have a division here. Okay, it's over here. It's in the second step, and even though this fractional bar is a division, as we said, we need to do the top part first, the numerator and the denominator, and then we can do this. So 42 divided by 2 gives us 21, and we don't have any other division, so we rewrite the sentence, and we have multiplied by 4. And we know that division and multiplication come in the same step, but whichever one comes first from the left, we do that one first. So we had division first, so we did that one and got 21. Okay? So now it's time for the multiplication. I'm going to write the rest over here. So we have 21 multiplied by 4, so that's going to give us this over here. We have 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so we get 84. Then we rewrite the rest of it, which is divide by 11, right? Which we said we were going to do that last, right over here. And then we divide 84 by 11, and it's going to have some decimal points, and that's totally fine. And it's going to give you 7.6363 and so on. It's just going to go 6363 forever. And whenever we have such a thing, we just put the 2 digits that are repeating over and over again, and we just put a line over them. So we call this a rational number. So you just put the digits that are getting repeated over and over again under this line, and that shows that's a rational number. And so the answer to this question is 7.63. Okay? And if you want to round it and not put that bar and not make it a rational numbers, since it goes 6363, right? We would round it to the nearest hundredth, and that would be 64. Okay, either one works, and it's up to you or up to the question, which asks you what to do to decide which one you will pick. And so that's the answer. Did you get the same answer? Tell me over here. I hope this video helped you and you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to check out my upcoming videos. Love you guys. Bye.